Most people assume their Android phone is automatically backing up everything until they lose their photos, contacts, or apps. But here is the problem. You don't actually know if your backup worked until you check it. So today I'll show you exactly how to find saved backups on Android and confirm your data is safe. Why this matters? Think about this. If you lose your phone today or it gets damaged, your contacts, WhatsApp data, photos, and app settings depend on backup. But many users never check if it's actually completed. So let's verify it. So open settings, or go to settings and scroll down and find where it says Google or Google services. Google, this one. Open this and now go to backup. Go to open all services, and here you can scroll to get to backup. So when you here you will see your last backup time, like this shows this was backed up 5 hours ago, and what's included. Like if I tap this, and I will see the backup details, what's included, like the contact, call history, SMS, device settings, and all of that. If it shows a recent date, your backup is working. If it shows not backed up recently, or if it shows nothing at all, then something is wrong. Okay, what you should see in backup. Okay, inside backup details, Android usually saves your app and app data, contacts, call history, SMS messages, and device settings, some photos. That is, if Google Photos backup is enabled, you do that separately. Open the Google Photo app and you enable that. Okay, just photos and videos are not fully included unless Google Photos backup is turned on. All right, so now on this Samsung Galaxy, there are two ways to access this feature. You can go how I did, go to settings and tap Google and then backup. Or another way is this, go to while you are in settings, you open the accounts and backup. This accounts and backup here is another way to access this. And then you go to backup, you go to this backup under Google Drive, this one. You see, not the Samsung Cloud, it's like under Google Drive. You open it, it will bring you to the same the same place. Okay, here you can see the same thing I showed: last backup time, device name, and Google account. It will show you the Google account that I don't know what happened to the original voiceover, but this is now a voiceover. So I was saying a working backup should show a recent timestamp, backup complete or similar status, storage available in Google Drive. If it hasn't backed up in days, your phone might not be syncing properly. So if your backup is missing, if you checked all that and your backup is missing, try this. Connect to Wi-Fi, charge your phone, open backup settings again, and tap backup now, the green thing. Tap the backup now. Also check if your Google account is the same one you normally use. I hope you now know how to find saved backup in Android and how to confirm that your data is safe and not just assume. You can also watch my other video on how to restore everything to a new phone step by step. See you in the next one.